Now boarding to holiday glowing skin, let me introduce you to the Qure Micro-Infusion system if you aren't already aware of it. This is an incredible at-home microneedling system that actually infuses your skin with the serums as it microneedles. Now, I've been doing at-home microneedling for over a year now, since I was originally gifted a box of Qure's Micro-Infusion system. Since then, I have bought myself so much more because this is a holy grail anti-aging tool, in my opinion. And I'm not alone in that opinion. There are so many dermatologists that stand behind Qure, specifically Qure, because they not only use 25 karat microplated needles that are 0.5 millimeters long and as thin as a human hair, but their serums are also top tier as well. And what a better way to enjoy it than with this holiday limited edition glow case. This can travel with you. You can take this to parties. You can take this wherever you might be going. And it first off starts with a mirror. And this mirror lights up with a variety of different lights that you can make dimmer or brighter, depending on what you want. And it has its own stand. And then, this is my favorite part, this comes with both of Qure's serums with the separately packaged microneedles and a small sprayer of their Dermal Mist. And it's all in this wonderful reusable box that you can turn into your makeup box, whatever you want, or just keep using it for more Qure because this is incredible. Now, the Dermal Mist is really lovely. It is a hypochlorous spray, that's hypochlorous acid, which just is going to remove any bacteria that might be on your face. It's very soothing, great for any redness, irritation, just calming your skin. And you really do just spray it on. And that's it. It's a wonderful addition to your skincare routine. And I love that this kit comes with both of Qure's incredible serums. Their first serum is the serum for dark spots. Now this is designed to give you glowing, even skin. It's going to help with those dark spots and just give you a more youthful glow. And I specifically love that this has growth factors in it, as those are so powerful, incredible for your skin. And while you're microneedling, it is not only infusing that into your epidural layer, but then when you're finished, you're going to add any extra serum onto your skin, and that will absorb even more because you did it just after your microneedling session. So this is incredible, and I cannot recommend this enough if you are younger, if you're not fighting heavy wrinkles yet, as having even skin tone is going to have you look younger so much longer than fighting wrinkles. Those come later on. And that's where Qure's serum for wrinkles comes in. This one is incredible. It is super hydrating, plumping, designed to go after those fine lines. And one of the key ingredients in it, while these serums do have a lot of incredible ingredients in them, are copper peptides. And that is why it has this blue color. So this one is just amazing. And you don't have to limit yourself to just one or the other. You can swap these each week. Some people actually mix them, whatever you think is best. And like I said, I have been using Qure for over a year now. I'm in my mid-40s. I am fighting natural aging, hormonal changes, all the things that come in your mid-40s. And this has made such a difference. I get so many compliments on my skin, and it really has changed over time. I always notice within 2 hours, my skin will be glowing a little bit redder. And then the next 24, 36, and 72 hours, my skin is just gorgeous. And then my skin will become more normalized over 2 weeks, and then I'll do my next session. So this is really nice to do the day before a big event, something you really want your skin to glow for. And while this certainly will give you that immediate glow for that next big event or that I just woke up like this glow. What I really love is the difference I started seeing after multiple sessions, specifically after 3 sessions. That's when my friends started asking me what I was doing with my skin, and I started noticing too that my skin just feels a little plumper, more elastic. It feels younger, and even when I am 2 weeks away from my last session, it's still glowing. And my skin, I think, looks better than it did for most of my 30s. And again, I'm in my mid 40s, and this is how wonderful my skin is. To me, it is glowing, even with years of sun damage and wrinkles that I am fighting back. And I feel like I'm really owning my skin thanks to Qure. So if you have been looking at this at all, now is the time. This holiday package is a fantastic introduction, and Qure has so many great holiday deals. So definitely check out Qure. You're gonna love it, and it would make one amazing gift as well. So of course, I am thrilled that I was gifted this limited edition glow case from Qure, and I know you're gonna love this as well.